Right, here's an unusual one. Wally promises to coach with another one, and I'll send them back today or tomorrow with your cross lock. Bike spokes, let's see. Phoned it about 4 times so far off camera. Unlocked it again. You can't snap it shut, you have to lock it again by throwing the bolt or the lever. Don't get this open, for me that's the Wally. The lever's about a bloody 1/16 thick, wide, sorry. If you don't get straight on it, it's not having it. Gotcha! Oh right, yeah, you can lock it. Anyway, that's yours, coach. Cheers, lads.